grapes are in season, so that means that you should be making this really yummy smoothie that has grapes in them. So let's start by washing our grapes, and then we're going to put some grapes in the Vitamix. You can see about how many I put in there. We're going to add some orange juice, but make sure it only has orange juice in the ingredients. Pour the orange juice over the grapes first. Then we're going to add some frozen organic strawberries, and you can see how many I added, and some frozen organic mangoes. Now let's blend it up really well. You can see that it makes this beautiful color and a beautiful, yummy smoothie. And then that's it. Enjoy the amazing grape smoothie. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments below.